Good morning, everybody. It is a new week, so we're going to start our calendar with today is Monday. Monday. Today is Monday. If you can go ahead and say the full sentence, please. And then also talk to your parents or supervisors about yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. So we are still in the month of April. It just started. 6. And if you take a second to look outside, it is raining. Rainy. If it's not raining yet, it will be later. So if you were to go outside, it's in the morning time, so it's probably the low is 66 and the high is 73. So let's look and see. I think right now it would be kind of cool, but later on in the day it'll be warm.
Cool. Choose a person. Bottoms.
Since it's going to be cool and then warmer during the day, I think we should probably wear jeans. And then that way we can wear a t-shirt. And since it's gonna be rainy, let's add them rain boots.
Hats. Rain hat.
Could add a rain hat.
Accessories.
Oh, I gotta move my picture.
Accessories. No accessory.
We don't need any of those. Outerwear. Probably gonna need a raincoat today. So today's weather, Monday, April 6th, 2020. It's gonna be rainy and cool. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to watch your videos.